Hey guys, excuse my bald headed ass self. This video was actually recorded a while back. I just forgot to like edit it and then post it. So I hope you guys enjoy and stay safe out there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Jenny, with an I. I look crusty, dusty today because this is the real me. A bald headed, you know. Today I'm gonna do like a Valentine look. You know, Valentine's almost coming. Or hear me out. It could be a date night look. You know, you could get ready for your boo. If you don't have a boo, then that's okay. Get ready for yourself because Valentine's Day is like a day of love. You know, you gotta love yourself, okay? But anyways, let's get into this video. Let's start by prepping the face with a face toner. Hydrate, and then it will make my makeup apply on easier and better. Okay, so I like to start off with the brow. So since I'm gonna do like a more of dramatic look, I'm gonna go in with a pomade, Morphe pomade and latte. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then go back to you guys. After 30 minutes, I did it. Thank you. Before I go into the eyes, I like to start prepping my skin first so it could like, you know, set in or sink into my skin. I'll go with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now this is only for like oily skin. There's one for dry skin too, which will also hydrate your skin. Start off with the base. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural. Okay, to start off, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm just gonna go in with back rolls. Pack that in. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm gonna use this really nice deep red shade right here. Now that we have like packed the red shadow on and kind of almost blending out, we're gonna blend the two colors together. Well, we are basically done with the look, but not really done because we're just gonna keep on re-adding and then blending. Just gonna add back the brown, and then after that I'm gonna add back the red and then blend out, add, blend, add, blend, you know. I think I'm gonna use the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna use that red shade because this red shade kind of like made the look purple, which I'm not trying to go for. So let me see if I could like finesse. Oh, there you go. And I'm gonna blend out the brown. Same concealer I used to like prep my eyes. I'm gonna conceal my under eye to do my under eyes, you know, the shadow. Now I'm gonna go in with that brown shade. And I'm gonna blend down with it. To do my lashes, I'm gonna go with the L'Oreal Telescopic lashes. And for lashes, I'm gonna use my own lashes. I'm gonna be really late, well, kind of almost late to work. So let's get to this face. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in 228 Soft Tan. I'm gonna, oh my god. So my foundation dropped a little bit and it spilled on my dress. A brand new dress that I bought and washed, and I'm gonna have to wash again, but I quickly I quickly scrubbed it off. So like some of it came off. I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna do my makeup off camera. Alright, so this is like the final look. Oh. Yeah, so this is the final look. And this is how my dress looks like. It was like a big blob over here. I'm not gonna show you guys my feet. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. I mean, I got my toes on. It's just like the way it's built. It's disgusting. But anyways, yeah, there's like a line here. I literally scrub. Oh my god. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. This is my face. Yes, people will notice that the bottom of my dress is dirty. I have about like 15 minutes left and I haven't packed my lunch yet, and yeah, but that doesn't matter. So what matters is my look, this YouTube, my channel, my commitment for you guys, my 33 subscribers, 36, 32, around there. Doesn't matter. I still appreciate you guys for watching my show. I mean, watching my videos. But yes, this is the look for the face. It's the same process like my other videos. If you want to know how I did the face, you guys can watch my other videos. But yeah, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, better than mine.